Hey friends, if you wish to fix error code 0x80246013, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Now go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. Scroll down and click on Troubleshoot. Select Other Troubleshooters and then click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. The next one is to reset the Microsoft Store cache. It's very easy. Press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type the command ws reset and hit enter. This will clear the cache and it will fix the problem. And the last one is to reset Windows Update components. We have a script for this. This script will stop all the services. It will delete the contents of the software distribution and cat root to folders. It will delete the Windows Update profile. It will re-register all DLLs associated with the Windows Update process. It will reset WinSock, and then finally it will restart all the services. So copy these, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as administrator. Paste it here and hit enter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you better. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.